So this is how you can download CapCut in your PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you'll learn how to download the app. So just go ahead to your browser, it could be any browser, and you're going to want to type CapCut download. Once you do, there will be a link at the very top. So just simply tap on that link and it will send you here. Now, this is the CapCut website. As you can see from the top, they have their products, AI tools, AI image generator, solutions, resources, e-commerce, and download. Now, you're going to want to tap on download and then go down to download for Windows or Mac. So just tap on that and it will start installing immediately and then tap on save. Now, I don't have to download this because I already have CapCut, so just simply tap on save and it will start downloading for you. Once it does, you will see that this is the CapCut screen. Now, it may not be the starting screen because you're going to want to tap on new project once you open up the app, but this is generally what you're going to see. Here you can edit your videos and you can also edit them here. You can add your clips here and then drag them down so you can edit them. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can download this app. It's very simple. Just go to the website. You can even tap on this to download it immediately and just launch it, and you can start editing whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.